Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to share a new product with you all that I have been testing out for almost 2 weeks now, and I'm super excited to let you guys know that L'Oreal Paris has finally launched its Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum in India, which has 1.5% hyaluronic acid. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum is considered #1 selling serum across Europe, USA and China. I was so excited to test the product out and share my experience with you all. So let's quickly talk about hyaluronic acid and what it actually does to your skin and why you should incorporate it in your skincare if you haven't already. Hyaluronic acid is one such skincare ingredient that has been recommended by dermatologists across the globe. In fact, to me, my dermatologist personally recommended hyaluronic acid because it offers instant hydration, plump effect, and it also makes your skin really smooth and supple, especially for me, someone who always has struggled with dry skin. Hyaluronic acid has come to my rescue and it's an indispensable part of my skincare routine. So hyaluronic acid is naturally present in our skin, but as we age, the levels of HA in skin depletes. So to maintain the moisture level or to maintain the hyaluronic acid level into the skin, it is recommended to apply a hyaluronic acid based product into your skin. Why I love this serum so much is because it has a very lightweight water-like consistency. So once you apply it on your skin and just dab it, it disappears into the skin. It is not thick, it is not goopy, it doesn't smell like anything because this is fragrance free, and it just instantly sinks into the skin. You can see immediate results. The moment you apply it on, you will see that your skin is looking hydrated, really nice, nourished and plumped. And I have been using it for 2 weeks now, and I use it twice daily, in the morning and in the night. So the product comes with no fragrance and no alcohol, parabens, which makes it perfectly suitable for all skin types, even those with very sensitive skin. My skin is dry, but it is very sensitive, and the serum has not broken me out or caused any irritation whatsoever. I am going to talk about it again. I really love how lightweight it is. It is almost like water. The bottle is a glass bottle and it also comes with a dropper, which makes the application really easy. You can avoid the contamination of the product, and I apply 3 to 4 drops. You can adjust and see what your skin requires and use it accordingly. The dropper helps in controlling the amount you put on your face. So how I use it on my really nicely cleansed face. I take around 3 to 4 drops of the hyaluronic acid serum and just dab it into my skin until it's completely absorbed. It doesn't leave any greasy, sticky residue on the skin. It immediately absorbs, which makes it perfect for all skin types. And as per studies conducted by L'Oreal Paris, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum has actually increased the radiance by 42%. And with the continuous usage of the hyaluronic acid serum, you will see a visible difference and you will realize how dehydrated your skin was before, because once your skin is very well nourished and hydrated, it also receives and absorbs other serums nicely. So L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum is available in two sizes, 15 ml and 30 ml, priced at rupees 499 and 999. So if you have not introduced this superstar ingredient in your skincare, then I will highly recommend you guys to check out L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. You can use it 365 days because it is very lightweight, and hyaluronic acid doesn't make your skin sticky or anything. It just holds moisture into your skin and makes it really smooth, hydrated and supple. You can check out the link in the description box if you are considering buying. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.